Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Teresita Santos Mendoza. I'm 40 years old. I live at 17 Fernando Avenue, Kalumpang, Marikina City. I'm single. I have one brother and I have two sisters. I am the second child of the family. My work experience here in the Philippines from 2016 to 2025 is domestic helper and family driver from Johan Tan family. They are Chinese. My main duties are to providing the transportation of the family, cleaning the house, taking care of pets, ironing the clothes, marketing, cooking, gardening, taking care of the elderly, taking care of pets, and car washing. They have six in the family. Two elderly, like 64 and 63 years old. And they have adult like 40 years old and 43 years old. They have children 16 years old and 15 years old. They have pet, two Labrador and one Shih Tzu. I know how to cook a little bit at Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, stir-fried vegetable, and steamed chicken. And I want to learn more how to cook Chinese food, ma'am. Also, from 2012 to 2014, I'm working in United Arab Emirates as a family driver. They have 8 in the family. The main duty of my work is providing the transportation, taking care of kids, taking care of elderly, cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, cooking, car washing. I hope, ma'am, sir, you will give me a chance to be your helper in your family. I am responsible and hardworking, and I will promise do my very best to my duty very well. I will always obey and follow your instruction. Thank you, ma'am, sir.